Hello Year 2 and welcome to the first maths lesson of week 5. Sorry about the dog again. Maybe sit down. Okay, so we're going to start with looking at a number line. So the number 14 is shown. I would like you now to pause the video and mark the number 9 on the number line. Have a look, where does it go? Okay, so hopefully the first thing you did was to work out what each of these lines are worth. Are we going up in ones? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no, we're not going up in ones. Are we going up in twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we are going up in twos. So number 9, anybody have an idea where number 9 would go? Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 would go here and 10 would go here. So even though there's not a space, there's not a line for number 9, 9 would go in the middle just there. And you do write your number 9. Okay, I would like you to pause the video now and see if you can mark these numbers on the number line. 2, 5, 20 and 17. Have a go. Okay, so I have now marked those numbers on the number line so that you can check against yours. Now, one of the numbers was really tricky, number 20, because actually the number line that we've got is not big enough. It doesn't go up to 20, okay? It only goes up to 18. So 20 would go after that. So well done if you spotted that trick question. Okay, so today we are going to start learning all about money. Now, the important thing to do before you start doing the activity today is to get these coins perhaps and check, do you recognise what they all mean? What amount they're all worth? Because if you don't, you need to do that first, because this part will be really tricky if you don't know what each coin is worth. Okay, so I would like you now to pause the video, choose 3 of those coins and add them together. Okay, I chose the coin 50, a 10 and a 10. So I've got 50, 60, 70p. Write 70 here. Remember, you always need to put your p afterwards, otherwise it could be 70 sausages. Okay, did you get the same amount as me? No, some of you might have, some of you might not. Okay, we won't all get the same amount because we won't have all chosen the same coins. I would like you to have a look now and see what is the smallest amount you can make using those coins. You're going to choose 3 of those coins again, but you need to make the smallest amount. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, oops. So if I was making the smallest amount, okay, I would look for the smallest coins first. Now remember, that doesn't mean the coin that's the smallest in size. It means the coin that is the smallest in value. So here we go. We've got 2 pences. So they are the smallest that we have there. So I'm just going to circle those. Okay. So I'm definitely going to use those 2 to make the smallest amount. And then which is my next least coin that's worth the least? It's a 10p. Okay. And I'm going to add those 3 together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the smallest amount that I can make is 14. 14 what? 14p. Okay. Pause the video again. I would like you to see what is the largest amount you can make with 3 coins. Remember, you're only using the coins that are on the screen. Okay, so if we're finding the largest amount, we do exactly the same as before, but we go for the largest coins first. So this is definitely the largest coin here. That's 50p. Okay, then the next largest coin is the 10p, and we've got 2 of those. So my 3 coins will be 50, 60, 70. So the largest amount that I can make is 70p, and that's the amount I chose at the very beginning. Okay, so now we're going to use your coins, okay, or the coins on the board if you've not got your own coins. Can you make 26p? So pause the video, have a go at making 26p. Remember to look at the coins so that you know how much they are worth. Okay, so how many coins did you use? Can you think of another way to do it? So when I did it, the coins I chose were a 20, a 5, and a 1. 20, 25, 26. Okay, you might have done it a different way. Is there another way you could do it? Okay, now we're using these coins. If you had more than one of these coins, you could do it a different way. Okay, because you could have 2 10s, a 5 and a 1. Okay, you could use lots and lots of 2s, or even 26 1p's, because 26 1p's would also equal 26p. Okay, so remember, you can use the coin more than once. Can you make 33p? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so to make my 33p, I am going to do, not that, 20, 30, 32, and a 1, 33. Okay, so I've used 4 coins. Could I make it a different way? Yes, I could use 3 10 pieces, a 2 and a 1. So then I would have used 5 coins. Okay, pause the video again. Can you think of another way to make 33p? Okay, next one, 15p. All right, how could we make 15p? Could I use this coin to make 15p? A 50p? Could I use this coin, which is a 20p? Why not? The reason is because they are worth more than 15p. So I have to choose coins that are worth less than 15p to add together to make the amount. So if I was making 15p, the quickest way to do it for me would be a 10 and a 5. Okay? So can you make it with 2 coins? Yes, you can use a 10 and a 5. Oh, now a tricky one. Can you make it with 4 coins? Pause the video, have a go. Can you make it with 4 coins? Okay, don't forget you could use each coin more than once. I can make it with 4 coins because I would have a 10p, 2 2p's and a 1p, because that would make 15p. Oh my goodness, the numbers are getting higher. Could you make 42p? Pause the video, have a go. Can you make this amount in 2 different ways? Okay, so the first way that I thought of to make 42p was 2 20p's and a 2p, because 20 and 20 is 40, add 2 is 42. Then it says, can you make it in 2 different ways? So I had to think of another way I could make 42p. And I thought, yes, because I can count in tens, I'm going to use 4 10p's, which would make my 40p, and then 2 ones. So 42p, just made a different way. There are lots and lots of ways to make 42p. Okay, again, the numbers are getting even higher. Pause the video, have a go at making 75p. All right, how might you go about making this amount? This is a big number. Okay, so if I was making 75p, to make it easier for me, I would start with the 50p, because then you're getting closer to making 75p. Then I would add the 20. So 50 add 20 is 70. And then I know that if I add 5p, that will be 75p. Again, I could make it another way. What about using your 10 times table and counting in tens? How many 10p's would you need to make 70? Yes, the answer's 7. So you could have 7 10p's and 1 5p. That would also make 75p. Oops, I'm going to this one. So now, Evie went to the shop to buy a chocolate bar, which was 47p. She had these coins in her purse. Which coins could she use? So I'm looking in Evie's purse. I need to make 47p. So I'm going to do 20 and 20 and a 5. So I've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. It says now, could she use a different combination of coins to make this amount? So let me put these ones back. Okay, have a look at the coins, pause the video. Can you think of a different way that Evie could pay her 47p? Okay, hopefully you came up with this. So still using one of the 20p's. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. So I've just made it a different way because I've swapped one of the 20p's for 2 10p coins. Okay, so today you have got an activity where you've got to make different amounts using coins. Okay, don't forget, if you're using real coins, you must wash your hands after you've been touching them. Okay, so you're going to be making different amounts using the coins, and then you've got some challenges. Now, if you're finding it really tricky to find the different amounts, rather than going on to the challenges, get your grown-up to give you a few more amounts to make using the coins. Only go on to the challenges if you're finding it really easy, if you completed it in a short space of time. Okay, don't go on to the challenges if you're finding it really tricky. In the challenges, there are things like word problems and one a bit like Evie with her purse. Okay, have fun. Bye for now.